Guys, welcome back to Pixel City. I'm Joy and today we are going to learn how to crop an image, straighten an image and adjust the image size in Photoshop. So go ahead and open up the file. The download links will be in the description below. So this is the first image we are working with. This is the example 2 and we are going to select the crop tool. So go ahead and select this crop tool. Let's select the whole image. Make sure the content average is checked in and let's drag, rotate this image until it satisfies you. So I'm going to leave it here. I will hit Ctrl 0 to zoom it out and I will click on the right arrow here. You can also hit enter. Now Photoshop will straighten the image and fill up these outer parts with the most likely parts it can match. So this is how you straighten up an image. Now what if I want to crop this image? So to crop this image, drag down sliders, selecting the crop tool, dragging the sliders, and if you just click right, it crops the image. Let's say that if you want to crop this image like a square image. So now select here 1:1 square, and now if you want to select the square image, you have to extend this a little bit because you need to select the whole flower, whole subject. Now we can decrease this also. As you have selected square, the heights, widths and the breadth will increase accordingly. So this, after you have selected the whole part of this image, and click on right icon. And Photoshop crops the image for you and by filling up these layers too. So now close this image, go ahead and open example 1 again. This is the example 1. And now what if I just want to extend the image size, because this is a 6000 by 4000 pixel image and it doesn't look good in the wallpaper. So to show that, let's add this one to the wallpaper. So this is the wallpaper. If I just set it to my wallpaper, this looks like this. Now open the Photoshop again, create a new layer and select the 1920 by 1080 pixel. Now here change the pixels to 300 pixels per inch. Now make sure that pixels are selected without the inches and click on create background color. You can leave it white or change it to any color as well. Now click on create, which creates a new layer. Now you can hold drag and drop this file here, Ctrl T and hit Ctrl 0 and size the image to the white screen. Now when you are resizing the image to the screen, the one thing you should be reminding that you have to just fit the image vertically, not horizontally. So just centralize the image and click on the right icon. Now we have to fill up this part. So select this rectangular marquee tool and select this area. Now select add to, this is the only normal tool that has been selected. Now select this add to selection tool and add this selection tool. Okay, so this is not perfect, so add this too. Click on shift plus F5 and make sure content average is selected, color adaptation is enabled, and then click on OK. So Photoshop automatically fills up this part. Now to show you that how this image looks, okay, so there we have missed a little part. Shift F5 again. Okay, now to show you how this image looks like in the wallpaper, now I will go here and select this as my wallpaper. So this is the image which looks pretty nice in the wallpaper, right? Still better than this one. So this is how you straighten an image, crop an image and adjust the image size in Photoshop. So today's video is up to this. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such content like this, and do not forget to hit that bell icon as well. Thank you guys, thanks for watching and have a good day.